Welcome to our quick guide on writing an expository essay. Let's get started. An expository essay explains a topic clearly and concisely. Your goal is to inform, describe, or explain. There are several types of expository essays. Descriptive, paints a picture with words. Process, provides step-by-step instructions. Comparison, highlights similarities and differences. Cause and effect, explores reasons and outcomes. Problem and solution, identifies issues and offers solutions. Here's the structure you'll need. Introduction, start with a hook, provide background, and state your thesis. Body paragraphs, each paragraph covers one main point with evidence. Conclusion, restate your thesis, summarize key points, and offer a final thought. Follow these steps to write your essay. Step 1, choose a topic. Step 2, research and gather information. Step 3, create an outline. Step 4, write the first draft. Step 5, revise and edit. Step 6, finalize your essay. And there you have it. With these tips, you're ready to write an outstanding expository essay. Good luck! For more detailed guidance, visit our website at paperdue.com.